Welcome to a glimpse into the future of manufacturing, where precision meets efficiency. In today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape, advanced automation and robotics are transforming production lines, ensuring unparalleled quality and speed. This video showcases the intricate dance between cutting-edge technology and meticulous craftsmanship, redefining what's possible in modern industry. Observe the seamless integration of robotic systems, designed to handle delicate and complex components with utmost care. From the initial stages of material processing, where raw elements are meticulously prepared, to the precise manipulation of intricate parts, these automated arms work tirelessly. Their programmed accuracy minimizes errors and maximizes output, setting new benchmarks for operational excellence. Each movement is a testament to engineering brilliance, ensuring consistency and reliability in every step. Witness the sophisticated machinery at work, employing advanced manufacturing techniques. Here, we see specialized equipment performing tasks that demand extreme precision, such as intricate stitching on high-quality materials. This is not just about speed, it's about the fusion of traditional craftsmanship with modern technological capabilities. The result is a product that embodies both durability and aesthetic perfection, crafted with an attention to detail that only integrated systems can consistently deliver. As components move through the assembly line, robotic systems take over, orchestrating a symphony of coordinated actions. From placing large items onto pallets to securing smaller parts within complex structures, every action is optimized for efficiency and accuracy. Integrated quality control mechanisms are embedded throughout the process, ensuring that each product meets rigorous standards before moving to the next stage. This meticulous approach guarantees a flawless end product, ready for distribution. This demonstration highlights the transformer.